for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for shine, thank you for pain. I'm ready for the day. Yeah.
Wow! How do you know that? We're just here in the front of Mom's store. It's actually very relaxing here, especially at this hour. It's 8 a.m. The sun is not too harsh, so the wind is also blowing that way, so it's really good. Here in my back, you guys can see Atan is actually working on a bike. Look at this. It's so crazy to look at it. It doesn't look like a bike anymore. It's a skeleton bike. Yeah, this is what he does. Speaking of bike, I'm actually currently reading a book. The title is Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance.
Hi guys, come back.
That's your line, honey.
Again.
Yes. And also, has any one of you read the book? It's very good. I love it, though it can be very confusing. I'm still trying to figure out who Fedros is. And yeah, no spoiler alert though, but... Alright people, I just finished with my breakfast. My sister cooked chicken adobo. That's a heavy breakfast actually. Anyway, we are going to turn on the motorbike. Speaking of motorbike, a lot of you guys have actually asked if what's the update of the motorbike. The motorbike has been sold, though it is still here because the person that was able to buy this is actually from Canada. He's one of my subscribers. If you're watching right now, hello. So this is how the motorbike is looking. We're gonna turn him on. It's keyless, so this is the key, and all you have to do is to be near the motorbike. Then we're gonna turn it on. You guys ready? So you do this. Is it on now? And then, ta-da! You can see here it's lighting up. And then in order to turn it on, you have to press this and the brake. Ta-da! I can turn it on now myself, guys. You have to turn on the bike every morning so that it still is very good, right? It's good for the motorbike to run the engine. Oh. Yeah, this is it. Okay, can you turn it on, honey? Oi! Oh, good girl. Is this your motorbike? Wow! How do you know that? You know that the eye? Wow. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's enough. No more gasoline now. Okay, we're gonna get gasoline. You're gonna ride with Tita? Wait, no, don't touch anything in there. Okay, bye guys. That's it. Alright guys, so I've actually ordered some bins for my car. So they're so cute. This is how it looks. And you'll just have to push it so you can put it inside. Okay. No. Alright, we're gonna show it to them. Where are we gonna put it, okay? Where are you going? No, I'm gonna put it here in my side. See, I do have a lot of trash. Can you put this in the bin, honey, please? No, not this one. Over there. Okay, so I am gonna put this here in my side because every time I get bored or I get sleepy when I'm driving, I'd like to munch in with, you know, some candies or chewing gum or something like that. So all you have to do is to clip it in this side, and hopefully it's not gonna hit when I close it. So we're gonna put it right here like that. I think it's fine, and we're gonna try to close it. Okay, all right, let me close it, honey. You have to move. No, you cannot. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, it actually did not touch this area right here, so that's good. I do have another one. We're gonna put this in the back so that they also have their own bin.
Thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for shine, thank you for faith. I'm ready by day.
Again. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy.
Thank you for faith. I'm ready for day.
Almost done cleaning the house, and now I'm gonna clean my electric fan. This one is very cute and Instagrammable. I think I got this online since it was sold out when this was being launched. It's very Instagrammable, isn't it? Because it's made of wood. As you can see, there's a lot of dust. Look how dirty that is. It's not good for your health. Alright, we're gonna clean this one. Ta-da! Oh, so dirty. There you go. I actually do use electric fan during the day. I only use the air condition at night because we are saving electricity. And also during the day, I'm not really like always in my room, so normally I'm like outside, and if I decide to read a book in the couch, then that's when I would use electric fan. But sometimes during summer, like April and May, that's the hottest season here in the Philippines. Yeah, I badly need to use the air conditioner during the day because it's just too hot. Even if we're in the countryside, it is still very hot. So we're gonna clean this bad boy so that we will have a nice clean air circulating the room. Our crispy pata is ready. Oh my gosh. It's so crispy.
I love this one.
Yeah, it took around 1 hour and a half, I would say. 1 hour for boiling, 30 minutes for frying. We had to use 1 kilogram of oil. That's how much oil you actually need in cooking crispy pata. Guys, look at that. Oh, can you hear it? Uy, it's like lechon. It's very crispy. Let's try though. Crispy.
Yummy pangga, come here.
Come here, come on, let's eat.
We will buy Coke na lang instead of shake.
Bon appetit. Let's eat, everybody. We have here a lot of sauce. Wait, let's try. All right, let's eat, everybody. Bon appetit. It's been chopped up. All right, let's try. We have here some sauce. Let's see if it's crunchy.
Why?
It's so crunchy. Yum. Come on, honey.
Come here.
So crunchy. It's good.
Pangga, can you call Nana? Let's eat, Nana. Call us, Nana.
Good evening, everyone. I'm actually alone here at home and I just finished taking my dinner. Yes, that's my dinner. I know that's breakfast, but yeah, I don't feel like eating, you know, anything with rice or like food. Someone's doing karaoke in mom's store. Sis and fam actually went home, so I'm all alone here, but they are going to come back here in about 3 hours. So yeah, at 9 p.m. they're actually attending a funeral. And can I just share that ever since I got this dispenser over here, I have just been drinking a lot of water. I don't know what is it, but it has ROI in my health and for everyone else in this house, because yeah, everyone just loves drinking water ever since I got that. I don't know why. I think it's the thought of like filling in the cup, I mean the glass, and then you wait for it, and then I don't know, they're just like, it's so therapeutic. But yeah, I have been drinking water, which is really good. It's a good investment. Oh, we're gonna get copyrighted. Karaoke is killing me. But it's actually not that loud here inside my house. If you open the door, it's pretty dark. But there are some people there. Ta-da.